Today, Elon Musk took to Twitter to lodge a major complaint against Microsoft. His tweet reads, "Just bought a new PC laptop and it won't let me use it unless I create a Microsoft account, which also means giving their AI access to my computer. This is messed up. There used to be an option to skip signing into it or creating a Microsoft account. Are you seeing this too?" But the truth is, it's totally still possible to set up a new Windows computer with the local account. Worse yet, it's a pretty dumb complaint for Elon Musk of all people to make. Stick around to find out why. So to be fair to Elon, it is true that it's harder to set up a new Windows machine without a Microsoft account than it used to be. You won't find the handy dandy sign in with the local account option right away anymore. But it's still pretty easy to get to. Want to know how? When you get to the screen where Microsoft asks for an email address, just use a@a.com. That's not a valid email, which is the point. When you click the next button to get to the next few screens, Windows will throw an error, then give you the local account sign-in option. There are some other options too, like using Rufus or a keyboard sequence at just the right moment to fire up a command prompt. But using a@a.com is the simplest option of all, so I suggest going that route. But hold on, why does this even matter? Elon makes the complaint that signing in with the Microsoft account means giving their AI access to my computer. But that feels like a pretty hollow complaint. When you set up your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, what's one of the first things Apple asks for? An Apple account. How about when you set up an Android phone, tablet, or Chrome OS? You guessed it, you have to get out your Google account. It's a pretty common thing these days. But really, the biggest headache of all for me is that Elon Musk is making this complaint. Elon owns Twitter, and among the many bad decisions he'd made since taking over the company, including renaming it to a name I'll never use, is a new requirement to log into Twitter just to see tweets. But it gets worse in my mind, because if you want to own a Tesla, you're going to need, you guessed it, a Tesla account. The most important functions, from using superchargers to selling your car, requires it. So you have to give their AI access to your car. And that is exactly what you're doing, as it's been proven a number of times when Elon has pulled car data after a crash and tweeted about it just to prove that Tesla wasn't at fault. Basically, what I'm asking here is, why is it okay for phones, tablets, computers from other companies, and even cars to require an online account, but not Microsoft computers? I admit I would like local accounts to be a standard option, but the only fair way to apply that logic is to insist on that everywhere. So it just feels odd coming from the guy who basically created the concept of logging into your car as a requirement. Think about it. That's it for now, but if you want to see more tech news and reviews, please subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye!